Hey, I'm super excited to invite you to the trial run of the live accordion group workshops. There are 2 workshops happening. This is a trial, so I'd love for you to be there. I'd love to get some feedback to see if this type of teaching works, about the frequency and timing. Let's see what it's like. So there are 2 workshops happening. The first workshop is for beginner accordion players. If you're wondering what these buttons are, which fingers to use, we're going to learn how to put our fingers in the right place, which fingers to use to create an papa rhythm and switch between chords. These workshops, this beginner one, will happen on Thursday and Friday, November 14th and 15th. Because we're a worldwide audience, there are going to be 2 times that you can attend. On Thursday, 10:30 a.m. Pacific or 3:30 a.m. Pacific. And Friday, 10:30 a.m. Pacific and 3:30 p.m. Pacific. Attend how many workshops you want, but the 10:30 and 3:30 workshops contain the same material. It's just there for your convenience. You could attend both if you want to reinforce your learning, but in general, attend a Thursday workshop and attend a Friday workshop. Good. It's 15 to 20 minutes. We'll give it 30 minutes, but in general, I'll demonstrate a technique. You'll join with another accordion student from around the world in a breakout session room to demonstrate the technique that I just demonstrated to each other. You'll observe and then you'll perform. We'll regroup. I'll ask 1 or 2 of you to show me what you've learned, and then I'll show the continuation. Again, 15 to 20 minutes, bite-sized information. On Friday, we'll continue that learning. Good. This is all material that exists already on Accordion Love. These workshops are just making a time and place for group learning. It's a fantastic way to learn. Good. That's Thursday and Friday. On Monday and Tuesday, November 18th and 19th, you could look at the website for all this information, we'll have a workshop that's more advanced for intermediate and advanced players. The prerequisite for this workshop is that you need to know the alternate bass technique. We're going to learn how to do a bass walk up technique, a walk down, and use the counter bass to move from the 1 to the 4, etc. It's going to be really, really cool. Again, this is Monday and Tuesday, the 18th and 19th. Same idea. 2-day workshop. Attend the 10:30 a.m. or 3:30 p.m. Pacific on the Monday. And then attend the 10:30 or 3:30 or all 4 if you're really, really keen. There's no charge for these trial workshops. You can be an Accordion Love student or not. It's up to you. Accordion Love students reinforce this material because it's already there. You may already know these techniques. This is a chance to connect with another player around the world, for me to see you do it, to watch me do it live, and to have that time to do it. There's more information on the website. Again, I'd love to get your feedback after these sessions. This is a trial. This is how I teach people in real life, bite-sized information. I want to see if we can do this in an interactive way over Zoom. Let me know if you have any questions. I hope to see you there.